Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, I'm still looking at this move up right here as very likely making a lower high, lower high. I still think this is very likely going to end up continuing the downtrend, eventually going down and making a big wave C. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly, we have a very impulsive move up, and if it does close much above this 78%, then we may have to scrap the idea of this really being a wave 2. Right now, I'm still calling this a possible 1. I'm still calling this a possible 2. If it respects this 78%, then I'm still going to say that it possibly is going to go down for a big wave 3. Until I actually get some good evidence on at least a daily to weekly time frame that this wave 2 is over, I am definitely looking for longs on the sort of time frames. And if it does just keep on drifting up and I'm looking for longs, it really shouldn't create a problem for me. Heading down to the daily time frame, we did close above the 78.6, but it's already pulling back. Depending on what this looks like over the next couple of days, I still think it could be a wave 2. But if it does go up and start to push beyond this 78%, then at that point you're going to have to say that it is going to most likely take out the previous high. But for now, I am definitely looking for evidence that this is the end of a correction, like a lower high or a Fibonacci bounce, which we are kind of getting, or possibly a break of structure on the shorter time frames. So heading down to the 4 hour. So right now, it definitely is pushing down pretty hard. Now for me to get short, I would either have to see a correction to this move down and a lower high to go short. Then if it went down and made a big old wave 3, then great. Or I would have to see it go up one more time, make that 3, 4, 5 shape, and then a break of structure, which would also get me short. Because right now, like I was saying, I am definitely looking for longs, at least until these higher time frames tell me otherwise, which so far, they definitely have not done so yet. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up. Now, if I do get a nice Fibonacci bounce, if I do get like a nice engulfing move to the upside at a Fibonacci level, something like that, then I definitely will still take it as a long opportunity for a continuation of the uptrend. It is definitely going down now, so if you are a scalper, you could be looking for shorts. I'm waiting to see if it makes a Fibonacci bounce, and if it does, I will go long for the continuation of the uptrend, at least until the higher time frames give me some sort of proof. Otherwise, I am definitely looking for longs on these sort of time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and the swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.